Hi, today I'm producing Alcatel 1T10 Smart 2020 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings application and after that tap to network and internet. Near the Wi-Fi you'll see the switcher. Just tap once on the switcher and you'll see here all of the available networks. Select one from the networks and enter the password. So after that just tap to done and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way you could use another networks, enter the passwords, connect to them, and after that you could switch between those networks and you could find all of the saved networks here in the saved networks list. So also we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. Just tap on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, and just to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon, and that's it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.